to the podcast brought to you by SDC. Today we're focusing on something very important, healthcare. First, the big picture, Australia's dual healthcare system. Australia's healthcare system runs on two complementary tracks. First, Medicare, the government-funded public healthcare system. And second, private health insurance, optional but common among expats and higher income earners. For Americans, the main difference is that healthcare in Australia is not employer dependent. You don't lose access when you change jobs, and you don't need to navigate dozens of plan types just to see a doctor. Let's look at understanding Medicare, who qualifies and how it works. Medicare is Australia's national healthcare program, and it's funded through the taxes. It covers essential medical services, such as visits to general practitioners, public hospital treatment, diagnosis tests like x-rays or blood work. And who qualifies? Australian citizens and permanent residents, many long-term visa holders, and U.S. citizens on specific health arrangements, usually longer-term residents or retirees. What about private health insurance? Most U.S. expats do choose private health insurance, especially in the early years in Australia. Private insurance will usually cover private hospital rooms and faster scheduling, dental, vision, and aligned therapy, emergency coverage if you're waiting on Medicare decisions. Average monthly cost for families is $150 to $300 Australian dollars per month, depending on your coverage level. And here's how SDC supports healthcare readiness during your move. At SDC, we know healthcare planning is essential to feeling safe during your move. When you relocate internationally, you're not just moving your belongings, you're moving your entire life system, including your healthcare information. So we align your moving service timelines with your essential documents like your passports, health records, and insurance papers. Make sure those stay with you and not in your shipments. For families with children or medical needs, we coordinate air freight shipping for essential items like mobility equipment or home health devices. And through our network, we ensure your shipments arrive cleanly through customs with no medical supply delays. For more guidance on planning your move, visit our website or give us a call, 877-856-7050.